The Black Abbey, Kilkenny, Ireland, is the church and priory dedicated to the Holy and Undivided Trinity. It was founded in 1225 by William Marshall the Younger, Earl of Pembroke, who died in 1231. In 1349, the community within the priory was affected by the outbreak of bubonic plague known as the Black Death. 8 members of the community died in 3 months during this pandemic. After the plague years, very few structural changes were carried out at the priory up until the end of the 15th century. In 1558, Ireland was under the rule of Elizabeth I of England, a Protestant queen, and the property of the priory was confiscated by the crown. Elizabeth died in 1603, but the policies of the new Protestant king, James I, did not change. The priory became a courthouse, and the Dominicans were forced to leave and find places to stay in other houses. From 1642 to 1649, Black Abbey played a major part in attempting to save both the Irish Catholic religion and the King, Charles I of England and of Ireland. The Abbey hosted the government known as the Irish Catholic Confederation. This effort did not last long, however. In March 1650, the English army under the command of Oliver Cromwell surrounded Kilkenny in a siege. Many people died from epidemic and hunger, and many more fled before the city finally surrendered. From 1685 to 1689, under the rule of the Catholic King James II of England, the Abbey flourished, but in 1690, under the rule of the Protestant King William III of England, both Kilkenny and the Abbey were once again occupied by the English. By 1776, the community of the Black Abbey was close to zero, but starting in that year, the Dominicans retook possession of the Abbey, first by renting it. In 1816, Black Abbey was restored as a Dominican priory, and the first public mass was held on September 25, 1816. On Trinity Sunday, May 22, 1864, Black Abbey was reconsecrated by the bishop and was finally opened again as a house of prayer. When the priory was founded in the 13th century, the town of Kilkenny was divided into 2 parts by the Breagic River. One part was occupied mainly by indigenous Irish. This was Irish Town, and the other by English Norman settlers. The Dominicans established the priory between those 2 towns and outside the city walls because they wished to show their independence from either side. If you enjoyed this video and like these kinds of content, please like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would be greatly appreciated. Till the next time, goodbye, and thank you for visiting.